Hey everyone, it's Rick Carson, and we're at the beautiful Make Believe Studios, and today we did something so you don't have to. We put a vintage 30 out of our Mesa Boogie 2x12 cab, the same cab that we used in Joey Sturgis Tone's Disruptor, a cab that a lot of people love out there. We pulled one of the speakers and we replaced it with a vintage greenback that we have, and we took that vintage 30 and we put it in a Line 6 Spider. There's been a lot of talk about speakers over the past couple of years, and one thing that really stands out to me is Jim Lill's video where, he really says that speakers are what make an amp sound the way that it does. And, you should think that if you take a crappy speaker and replace it with a better speaker, that should make the amp sound better. But really, the big thing to take away from that video, in my opinion, is that speakers are filters and they apply a particular EQ curve to the amplifier. In this instance, it's pretty apparent the filtering that each speaker is doing to the amplifier. And I have to say that it's a toss-up on which one you may like better. The original is voiced pretty well for the amplifier, and the Vintage 30 is much more mid-range forward. But either way, I want you guys to listen and make your own opinion. Thank you, and have a great day.